Okay, so we're back. Another trade. It's been a bit of a funny period recently. I mean, not much time to trade recently, but we're back to it. Should be back into our normal routine, so it's cool. We'll start the daily. Daily's been a bit funny in the month of May, so we're in May 24 now. 25, sorry. I've not taken a single trade. We're now on the 14th of May, so it's kind of just chopped around, come down into this fair value gap. Expecting price rate bullish now. Looking to probably target these highs and these highs. It's my general bias bullish on the 4 hour. Our previous day high and low are marked out. Expecting the previous day high. We've also come down and filled this fair value gap, which I'm expecting price to now respect and continue to push higher. We've not taken any key draws on liquidity like this swing high or this swing high, so I'm not expecting price to retrace back in quite yet. On the hourly's nice, I'm happy with that. So came up, consolidated, manipulated in here, took out these lows, filled this fair value gap, and then we've expanded again since, and then price is traded back into a discount. So I'm expecting price to now start trending bullish again. That's my idea. 15 minutes good as well. Just took this, broke down, invested this fair value gap, then tapped into it barely here, came up, and like a Judas swing, has come back down, swept out these lows, filled this fair value gap, expecting price again to rally. And for me on the 15 minute, there's not really much we're going to retrace into here. There's a little tiny fair value gap, but I do think if we are bullish, that shouldn't matter, and it shouldn't hold us back too much. 5 minute looks a little bit, it doesn't look as strong with these fair value gaps, but as I said, if I think the 15 minute is going to hold it, hopefully everything else does. See how we've had this kind of like trending down, created this swing low, rallied up, broke down again, took out this low, filled this fair value gap, expanded up, didn't get a 5 minute fill, apart from this one here, we didn't get like a more recent fill, and we have filled this fair value gap because I seem to react bearish. And then there's also this one, which is a bit of a thing to worry about, but as I said, the 15 minute I think I'm happy with, so it should be okay. On the 1 minute we got this expansion up, which initially I was going to look to enter off of like price went into here and set a limit order, which it did, which is good, but I wasn't too sure, and as I said, the 3 minute here is held, which is nice, and I'm hoping that now we can continue to rally and fill this area. So we'll go off of that, see how we get on. I would like to see us on the 5 minute kind of do a bit more, just to give me a bit of confirmation that we're moving the right way. I don't want to narrate too much. Let's see how we get on. Now we swept that high, we'll see how we react. Can we stay bullish? Okay, so I'm not, it's chopping a bit. Sweep that low rally, and we're going to go, could be out here. Yeah, it looks like it. Let's see how it played out. Okay, so we were bearish. It must have been, did we hold the 15 minute? It must have been this little tiny gap in here with an already bearish narrative. So we must have actually been bearish, and I just misjudged the trade. I can only imagine that's what's caused this, is that we are actually bearish. Maybe I haven't set that high. I don't know, I mean, I didn't force the trade, which is good. That's kind of the only positive I can take from this, but I mean, I don't know why we trended bullish. No. Took out the previous day, obviously, but we closed it yesterday. Expecting price to target. We haven't taken on any key draws on liquidity for me. So a bit of a funny trade, in all honesty. I mean, I wasn't anticipating price to be bearish. Maybe trading into a discount here. Let's see how it plays out. I'm assuming we're going to trade into this area and then react bullish. Okay, I don't want to play too much time because obviously I've got tomorrow to trade. Like, even I will want to look at taking some trades this next day. Maybe that's a nice setup to go long. Now we come into this kind of discounted market. Obviously on the daily it looks bearish, but I don't know, it's hard to call. That was a weird trade. Initially moved quite nicely and then must have held up 15 minutes, so bit of an annoying one, but I mean, what can you do? On a bit of a losing streak in a minute as well, which is a shame because we had a winning streak. And obviously everything feels like brilliant when you're on a winning streak. It feels like, oh shit, I've actually cracked it, and we're still not quite there, but we're turning up every day. and that's what you can do really. So I mean, this looks nice. I suppose like inverse this fair value, you got trending higher, filled that fair value barely. I won't be surprised if we came back in, swept this low, and then rallied higher. Next draw on liquidity being this this hourly, this swing high, and then onwards from there. But I think we should be looking for longs on this coming day. So we'll see if we get any trades, but I'm not going to force anything. Overwhelmingly, obviously not great, but I didn't force the trade, which is good. It took us 14 days to find a trade. I was happy with it. We got, we lost. That's part of the game. So, I mean, not too bad. On to the next, and yeah, I will catch you in the next one. Appreciate it.